Hey, look at this guy. Hey there. In this video, I'm going to be talking about something that I just bought last week. It's Mossberg 590. This one's got a wood furniture. It's the retro grade. It's got a 20-inch barrel, 8-round tube, plus one of the chambers holds 9 shells. Something I think is pretty cool. Got a bayonet lug too. So in this video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be patterning this new shotgun with with some regular bird shot, some double aught buck, and 2 different kind of slugs that I bought. And I've not shot this gun very much. I've only shot it probably about 4 or 5 times. So I'm gonna see how it does. The bird shot and the buck shot, I'm gonna pattern at 20 yards. And then for the slugs, I'll probably go back to about 50. Target fail. You kidding me? All right, this is about 20, 25 yards with just some bird shot. We're gonna see how it does. I'm in dead center. Alright, well, I don't know how good you can see it on camera, but got a very nice, very good spread in just 20 yards. Forgot to mention that that gun is just cylinder bore, so ain't holding a very tight pattern. Let's change this target out and see how the buckshot does. All right, this is same distance with some double aught buck. See how these do. Woo! See, them buckshot holes a little better there, but still a pretty big group. But we got 2 in the black, so that ain't bad. Now we're gonna get some slugs and back up. All right, we're back here at 50 yards, and I got 2 different slugs. First one's 2 3/4 inch, and then the second one's a 3 inch. They're both rifled. See how these do. I'm gonna get another 2 3/4 inch eagle. All right, try that one more time. Now for the 3 inch. Woo! Thing kicks like a mule. All right, well, I shot all the slugs I had, and I'm having trouble figuring it out. I think it's shooting high and to the right, but I don't know. I'll keep shooting and figure it out later. But anyway, overall, I like the gun. It shoots well. No, I need to figure out, I need to shoot it a little more. I just need to figure out its intricacies a little better. But other than that, the way it looks, the way it shoots, you know, it looks good, feels good, it's fun. I like it so far. Well, I think that's about all I got to say about it.